Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. Today I have this really fun stamping nail art that I did for the Clairstyle 8's day 5 prompt, which was henna nail art. I actually don't own a henna stamping plate, so I had to go with an image that I thought reminded me of henna that I've had done years ago. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, keep on watching. For the base of this nail art, I'll be going in with Pretty Beautiful Unlimited's 12 Calling Birds, which is part of her Christmas collection. And honestly guys, this polish is absolutely gorgeous. For those of you who don't know, purple is actually my favorite color. As always, once I've let my base color dry for a little bit, I'll be going in with a coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will also help to speed up the drying process. And to help protect my cuticles and make cleanup easier, I'll be going in and applying Bliss Kiss Simply Peel Latex Barrier. You don't necessarily have to use this one, as there are many variations of latex barriers out there, but this one has been my favorite to use since I've started doing nail art. For the stamping, I'll be going in using my Creative Shop stamper, one of the many stampers that I do own, Bundle Monsters BMS 102 stamping plate, and I'll be using Bad Bitch Polish's Pick Up Lime stamping polish. I've got my cuticles cleaned up, I'll be going in and applying one thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat to help seal in my manding. And here's the final look for my Clairstyle 8 day 5 henna prompt. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I did filming it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And always, please give a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did like or dislike this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.